How to use face filters on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use face filters on Omegle. First, open your web browser, then search for Snap Camera download for PC. Click on the second link provided. Once there, hit the download button to download the software to your PC. After the download is complete, navigate to your recent downloads and click on the file. Choose Show Folder and double-click on Snap Camera. Click Yes and then select Next. Continue clicking Next until you see the Install button. Click on it to proceed. Wait for the installation to be completed, then click Finish. Next, access your system settings. Search for Camera and select Change Default Settings for your camera. Among the connected cameras, choose Snap Camera. Once Snap Camera is enabled on your device, you can use various Snapchat filters through it. Now open Omegle.com in your web browser. Start a video chat session and you will be able to browse through the available Snapchat filters. Choose the ones you like and enjoy using them during your video chats. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.